like my mom pollinating the corn, and I'm just filming her. So
Seal. This is called a seal.
what is that?
Yeah,
Silk?
That's where the corn comes from. It's called a seal. And then you see?
Oh, it feels nice.
Remember that? And then?
Oh, that feels nice.
Yeah, and then?
Oh, that feels
You
nice.
see here?
You should grow a corn.
You see
Oh,
here?
they feel nice.
You
Yeah.
see here? That's the thing. And then this thing. Dim here. Dim here. That's the thing. Close up. Close up.
That's the thing there. That's the thing right there.
That's the
It
pollen.
looks like centipedes. It looks like caterpillars.
That's the pollen.
That's the pollen. So you
Yeah.
just like.
Yeah, I just have to ensure that the pollen goes to the seal.
So I just like. I'm just putting it in. Okay, I'll just like.
Pollen.
You can't really see the pollen.
Just wait one,
you just-
and then
Yeah, that's how you do it. That's just how apparently wait. I really like this part. It feels so
you see?
good. This one's a big one. This one's a big one. I'm going to go find another one, Mommy. Oh wait, the stems are actually quite nice. They're actually quite like fluffy and nice. Like when you're like up here, that's like really fluffy. Okay. Where's the silk for this one? Oh, this one's growing. Yeah, that one's growing. Mommy, snails and slugs have eaten it again. Oh, I should probably cut that out. Okay, somebody has eaten our poor little leaf that has done nothing to them except get sunlight and grow. Mommy, are those the only two? Yeah. Those are the only two silks?
they're coming. Some more are coming.
Come on. Mommy, do you have a pumpkin? You're growing a pumpkin? You're growing is this the pumpkin? Is this the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, so take a closer look at it. I should probably zoom in, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. This is really hard to control. Where is it? Okay, too close. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like worms. Yeah.
And do you want to see? Okay, stop that one, and then we will
Look at
try
that.
to pollinate.
Look at that. It's just getting more blurrier. That's what it looks like. Can't really get a lot of catch-ups.
That one.